MLB The Show's coverage of minor league baseball is on the air as we continue our tour around the minor league. Tonight, an intriguing matchup between the Mobile Bay Bears and the Biloxi Shuckers. And let's also get a brief look at our two starting pitchers as you see how they stack up right there. Catfish Brown will dig in now. He's got that average pushing up near 350 to begin play. Now we'll step off the rubber and go to first. Just keeping him close. Now the first pitch. In there, 0-1. Eric, you take a look at our visiting club as they take the field tonight here in the bottom of the first. They've been in a nice little groove, winning 3 of their last 4 games.
That last win gets them a step closer to the 500 mark. They can actually reach 500 if they can pull this one out.
He's set, now the pitch. And this ball's heading for the seats down the right side as the count will move to 0-2 now. Pause, now the pitch. And look out as this bat shatters on impact. And he'll find a way to dodge the shrapnel out there to make the play for out number 2.
Well, if you break a guy's bat, you've almost always made a great pitch. But here, he might have gotten a little more than he bargained for as this ball's back at him. But he's able to focus on the task at hand and makes a nice play.
Roberto Avila will get his first cuts here with 2 gone now and a runner at first. The 1-2. Pitch is away, but it's swung on and grounded to second. Throw to first will get him easily to the side is retired. So it's no runs on a hit, no errors, and a man left. We'll go to the bottom half of inning number 2. The home team leads this thing 2-0. Mac Johnson will stand in now, still struggling to get anything going offensively. The 1-1. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. And no chance on the throw here as he reaches first easily.
And the key to this is that he's running hard out of the batter's box all the way. You know, with some guys, it's not always the case, but he is really busting it down the line, and he's going to get rewarded with the infield hit.
Pedro Navarro will dig in. He popped out his first time. Comes set, now the pitch. Now here's a ball hit hard on the ground towards short. Throw not nearly in time as he reaches it first.
Fortunately here, no advance from that runner at second base, so he stays still. But the problems are going to deepen here as he puts runners on first and second now on what will be scored an infield single.
Catfish Brown will dig in. He popped out his first time.
Catfish Brown.
Here's the first offering. The fastball here as he'll take a look at ball 1, 1-0. Third inning here, already 4-2 our score. The 1-0 pitch. Oh, lots of real estate on the right side of the infield here as he steers this one into right, a base hit.
Now after the big inning your ball club just put together, you can't let them respond with a big inning of their own. But here they are with 2 on now and trying to answer right back.
Ned Garcia will stand in, and his guys have got something cooking now with 2 on and nobody out.
And down by 2, this is a good opportunity to try to put yourselves level.
No outfield. Hey, come on, guys. We gotta hold him right here. Let's go.
First pitch coming. Now a fastball that couldn't quite find the zone. It's ball 1.
And after getting hit in his first at-bat, he's got to be saying, look, enough with the inside pitches already.
Double him up. Let's go.
First and second here with nobody out.
See it. Drive it like you can. Let's go.
The next pitch. And he misses again, 2-0.
And one thing you can't do here, you cannot lose him and load the bases. He's still got a couple pitches to play with, but I'd expect this one to be somewhere in a strike zone.
Come on, fellas. Let's go.
Here's the 2-0. And he gets this fastball over. It's 2-1. A pretty dangerous spot for that one.
I don't think it was by design. It's one thing to miss your spots out of the zone, but when you miss in the zone, especially up, that's when you tend to get hurt.
Here's the 2-1 pitch. To 2-2 now.
Yeah, right over the top of that one. Double play ball would be a killer here, so he's got to find something he could square up.
None out, runners at first and second.
Hey, roll it up here.
Here comes a 2-2. Swinging a ball hit on the ground, but a foul ball as it holds it 2-2. Now another 2-2. And that misses, so it's a full count, 3-2. EK, where are you going now on 3-2?
I still got to work a corner. Not just going to throw it right down the middle and grab a strike. Can't be a giveaway pitch.
Hey, let's get a 2-ball here. Here we go. Ducks on the pond.
Full count offering on its way. And I don't think that's what he wanted to do as the bases are loaded now with still nobody out.
Now there are 2 ways you can go here as a pitching coach, so he's got to make a judgment call out there. He knows what buttons to press with each of his pitchers. Some guys you've got to reassure and be very positive with. You know, other guys, they respond better when you go out and challenge them. Really got to read them the riot out.
Rex Herman digs in now with a chance to at least tie the game, if not give his club the lead here in the early stages. And the first pitch misses high here, perhaps trying to get him to pop something up. It's 1-0.
You cannot let this situation get any worse. You got to be thinking strikeout or ground ball. Even if you allow 1 run to score in this inning, that would be a major victory.
Bases loaded here, nobody out. Here's the 1-0. A good tailing fastball for a strike, 1-1.
Even though that's a strike, that's still not a bad take because you're facing a guy that's already walked a few guys, so make him throw some more pitches. Run that pitch count up.
Now the 1-1 pitch. And this one runs a little too far in, ball 2.
And with 2 walks in the inning already, he can't afford to fall behind anybody else if he wants to stay in the game.
A 2-1 offering. And this could be trouble now. It's 3-1.
Now the pressure will really start to mount out there. That strike zone's going to feel like it's the size of a soup can right now.
Hold up. Let's turn 2. Turn 2 here.
Here he comes on 3-1. On the ground is short. This could be 2. Second for 1. On the first, and it's a double play, although the run does come in to score from third.
Well, you know, nothing kills a rally quite like a double play ball. But this is a double whammy. You've got a double play with the bases loaded and nobody out. They do get 1 run here, but it comes at a pretty hefty price.
Into the box, Gerald Kelly, as he'll take a look at a high strike that time. It's 0-1.
And you know, if you're going to challenge a guy up in the zone with a fastball, why not do it on the first pitch? A lot of times he's going to be taken anyway, and you just bought yourself a strike that you can now throw anything off of.
He's set, now the pitch. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. Comes set, now the pitch. Now about a 58-foot breaking pitch that he wisely lays off here.
And with 2 outs, you want to make sure those guys earn that run. Well, don't let them score on a wild pitch.
Men on third with 2 down. Here comes a 1-2. Now a swing and a hard hit grounder. Well, this is a foul ball as the count holds steady at 1-2. Again, a 1-2. To 2 balls and 2 strikes now.
Just did manage to catch that one with the last 2 inches of his glove. That could have been trouble.
Already 24 pitches to this point in the inning. Sets the 2-2 pitch. Now a swing and a ball popped high in the air over toward foul ground. Navarro is going to put this one away on the dirt in front of the dugout, and that ends the inning. A run, a hit, and a man left. 3 innings complete. The Bay Bears lead it 4-3. Eduardo Castro will make his way towards the box to lead off the 5th.
Hey, come on, man. Come on. Here, fellas.
Here's the 1-2. Breaking ball is swung on and bounced to short. And the 5th inning will start with a ground out, 1 away.
Now batting, second baseman, David.
Catfish Brown will stride in, popped out and singled in his 2 trips.
Catfish Brown.
Now here's the first pitch. And this is hit hard on the ground at first. And he'll step on the bag himself, and the inning is over. So they're held in check here this half of the inning. We're through 5 here at the ballpark. The Bay Bears on top, 4-3. Jamal Bromberg will try again. Struck out swinging his last time through. From the belt, the pitch. Slowly hit to the left side. Throw on to first in time, 1 away.
Well, you're not going to advance that runner if you're going to hit the ball right there. This forces him to hold at second base, and depending on how things turn out from here, that could very easily wind up costing you a run.
Catfish Brown will stand in now in what could be a real make-or-break situation.
And you think at this point you have to get something out of this inning. The further you get into that bullpen, the tougher it's going to be to claw back from this deficit.
First offering on the way. Now here's the ball sent out to right center field, and that's going to get down for him, a base hit.
Let's watch this swing in show motion. You're going to see this pitch just tie him up in knots, but somehow he's able to fist it all the way out to right field.
Ned Garcia will dig in now, and he'll do so representing the tying run.
Yeah, and you're not too worried about this guy jumping the yard on you here and tying the ball game. But if he does find a way to get on base, things get a whole lot more interesting.
Now action in the bullpen as their closer starts to get loose out there. First pitch coming. There's a strike at the knees, 0-1. A look here at the hits per side here in the late going.
Hey, ground ball right here.
Come on, big guy. See it driving. See it driving.
Watch up. Drive him in right here. Here you go.
Has a look, now the pitch. And now this is swung on and pulled down the third base line. And that's a fair ball as this one gets by him at third. And the run will score from second as it's back to just a two-run ball game now. Come on now in an awfully tough spot as there are two on here with nobody out. Rex Herman will be his first test out of the bullpen, and it'll be a tough test indeed as he'll face him with two on and nobody out here. Now here's the first pitch. And he pops up the bunt attempt.
All right, you're here. You're here. You're here.
And the throw will come to first, so the sacrifice works as planned.
And this isn't normally the part of the lineup where you'd see a lot of sacrifice bunts. But hey, it's late in this game. Desperate times call for desperate measures. So he's able to get the job done.
Gerald Kelly will stand in. He tripled in his last appearance. First pitch to him. Now he takes something off there as this is skied out to deep center field. Bromberg is there, and that should be deep enough to score the run. And he'll try to get back now, but it's not going to work. The throw hangs him out to dry, and that'll end the inning. So one run on 3 hits, no errors, and a runner left. We've played 8 full. The Bay Bears lead it 6-4. Fine individual performances to choose from in this one, boys, but what do you say we go ahead and let